most fascinating part of the day for the audience out in the center. Sabita Rana Magar will be the one to take the first shot for Nepal. And Soumya, who's had a great game of football today, who's proved to be the messiah for India on multiple occasions. And she once again do the honours. Meera Tamang just ensuring that the ball's well placed before the shot's taken. And the deafening roar at the Paljor Stadium will tell you how excited the audience is. Right then, Sabita it is. And Sabita finds the net. Soumya going the wrong way. And Sabita with a smile on her face. Absolutely a cakewalk. It's all about composure. It's all about finding the right target. Nepal surges ahead. And at the other end now for Nepal, it's going to be Anjana Rana Magar. And India will have Priyadarshini stepping up to take one from the spot. Make no mistake, Anjana, she's a stalwart in the game's truest sense. Priyadarshini takes it all wrong, and Anjana gets the first save of the shootout. Not the best of penalties. It was an emasculated hit. It took a bit of an awkward elevation as well. And I think if you take an overall look at the body position, it will tell you that she just wanted to place that. At times you have to do better than that. There wasn't any intent of power. Ideally, if you have an intent of power, you will have your shoulders moving a tad to the corners. Because your initial power comes in all the way from the hip. And then when you swing that leg of yours, you channel it to the ball. Right. And Nepal has got a goal as well. I think there was a bit of a technical glitch that was on. And Nepal made no mistake. Well, apologies for that. India has now missed out 2-on-2. This time Santosh stepping up and shot it way above the post. And this time it's make or break. If Nepal scores, India will be in pretty much uncharted territories here. And Anita Basnet stepping up. She'll have a golden chance to put this game to bed once and for all. Obviously, India will have their shot coming in. Anita smashes it out. She's dragged it wide, and India might just have a bit of breathing space here. Soumya did go in the right side, and it wasn't on target. Can India bounce back? Two crucial saves altogether from Anjana Rana Magar. In India, we will have Ashtam Oram stepping up. Ashtam's got some international exposure before, and obviously should be the one hoping to get at least a goal back. Not the best of penalties. Anjana denies again, and India misses out 3-on-3. What's really going on? Not a single conversion on that. Taken along the carpet and goes horribly wrong. Right, if Nepal scores, that should be game, set and match. So Soumya has got to save this. No other way out. Nisha Thokar it is. Nisha takes one and gets the ball in the back of the net. Nepal conquers the exhibition match. India has to concede after a phenomenal battle of 90 minutes. Fans are enjoying themselves out in the centre. It's a big victory for Nepal at the end of the day. It came through a tiebreaker. India couldn't really conjure the kind of precision that was needed in the shootout. Not a single shot hit its mark. And once again, composure prevailing out there for Nisha Thokar. And she was cool and calm, sending it way past Soumya after proving what she is capable of. Unfortunately, she fell short in the shootout. But the fans, they thoroughly enjoyed themselves.